With employees accessing the network using a plethora of different devices and the expansion of unknown IoT devices, networks are facing increased vulnerability. Luckily, Vandis's managed network access control solution is here to provide your business with the unmatched security and authentication benefits of Aruba ClearPass, combined with Microsoft Azure's global network for fast and reliable network access. Aruba ClearPass gives you full visibility into every device that accesses your network, and the flexibility to define and control access by user, device, or policy. Vandis's managed NAC for Microsoft Azure lets you reduce reliance on physical data center appliances and unify policy management in the cloud. You can also distribute these security policies to each local Azure region for faster authentication and authorization, decreasing network traffic dedicated to network access, and ultimately delivering a better user experience. With authentication timeouts and cluster synchronization issues eradicated, you'll have happier users and less IT support tickets. So whether you're seeking a new solution or have an existing NAC configuration, our experts will review, optimize, and implement your policies into the Azure cloud environment. All of this is deployed and backed by our world-class managed services and ongoing support. To modernize and optimize your NAC, contact Vandis today